Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next video is more on acronyms that is found in Taguig City, Metro Manila. Ano itong acronym na binabanggit ko? Actually, it's only 3 letters pero capitalized. It's ICI. Ano ibig sabihin itong ICI? ICI means Independent Commission for Infrastructure. Sila yung parang investigative agency na ini-investigate kung ano yung mga anomalous infrastructure projects dito sa Philippines. So, kung ito itinutukoy na PCAB or Philippine Contractors Accredited Board, PCAB, at yung DPWH, yung nag-organize sa mga government projects like Department of Public Works and Highways. So, konektado yan. Umbrella yan silang dalawa. Sila yung nag-investigate na anomalous ghost projects or flood control projects that are anomalous or unusual. So, yun ang meaning sa ICI. Then, ito siya, pwede nyo i-share itong reels kasi bihira lang kayo makakakita ng ganitong acronyms. Then lalabas dyan sa screen na ito. Then you can share this viral in this social media. Thank you so much for listening in this reels. Good afternoon.